Summit Refrigerator Model FF61ADA Troubleshooting. Summit 24-inch freestanding compact refrigerator with 5.5 cubic feet capacity, 3 glass shelves, right hinge, crisper drawer, automatic defrost ADA compliant, reversible door hinge, crisper draw. Troubleshooting. No refrigeration. Is power plug disconnected? Re-plug. Faulty circuit breaker or blown fuse? Open the door and check whether the lamp is lit. No electricity? Abnormal noise. Is refrigerator stable? Adjust refrigerator's adjustable feet. Does refrigerator touch the wall? Move unit away from the wall. Poor refrigerating efficiency. Did you put in hot food or too much food? Put food into refrigerator only when hot food becomes cool. Did you open the door frequently? Don't open the door more often than necessary. Is a food container or bag caught in the door seal? Check the door gasket. Direct sunlight or near a furnace or stove. Remove the refrigerator from the heat source. Is it well ventilated? Clear any obstructions to maintain good ventilation. Temperature setting too high? Set to the appropriate temperature. Peculiar smell in refrigerator. Any spoiled food? Throw away spoiled food. Do you need to clean refrigerator? Clean refrigerator. Does stored food have a strong odor? Pack food with strong odors tightly.